Hey everyone, today we are checking out this paddleboard from Maddle. Shipping on this baby was pretty quick. We had it within a couple of days. We are checking out the Free Spirit 4. It looks a little bit like that, but let's go ahead and get this out and open up this box. To open up the box today, we are going to be using the Akaso strategy. We got that box all cut open. Let's have our first look together. Oh, look at that, Maddle. It says, welcome to the Maddle crew. Lots of goodies in here. Let's go ahead and get everything out of the box and take a peek. And since this is a Canadian company, we do have a little French here as well. Here we have all of our contents from inside the box. First up, we have our instruction manual with some pretty awesome sticker action. Here we have the paddle, a pump, your repair patch kit, your carry bag, a leash, a little packet of fins, and of course, the paddleboard itself. I've taken everything out of the packaging, and I have to say, so far, so good. The actual paddleboard is pretty nice. It has this long deck pad. Here's the paddle. It does come in 3 pieces, and the plastic bag that was on it actually had some helpful hints and tips. There's our 3 fins with those pins, and our leash. Fast forward to the lake. It's an absolutely gorgeous day out. Perfect for a quick little paddle on our Maddle. Let's go ahead and get it inflated. Inflation complete and fins installed. So these 3 fins are super easy to slide into place, and they have those attached pins that also slide right in to keep them on there while you're floating on the water. Overall, this Maddle paddleboard tracks really well in the water. So those 3 fins help you maintain your straight trajectory. And also, I noticed that it's really, really easy to maneuver it. Turning is pretty simple as well. I really like it. I mean, I can really get this thing going. You just paddle quickly here, and it's really, really cuts through the water. It's amazing. Nice work. I found with paddleboarding, the easiest way to pop up on this board is to sit right in the middle with that handle strap kind of right between your legs and get the paddleboard going a little bit. Then simply put your paddle down, hold on to it, steady yourself, and then 1 foot at a time, just stand up and 1 quick movement. If for some reason you lose your balance, you can just push your paddle in the water a little bit and keep going. So while I'm paddling here, just a couple things to note. You can see it has these awesome bungees, so you can go ahead and store your footwear, maybe a dry bag. That'd be awesome. If you look close enough, you can see that drop stitch flooring. Those dimples are there for you. I love the front carry handle. It also has one right here in the middle as well. This floor pad, this is amazing as well. It's nice to have that cushion almost the whole length of the board. Here's that paddle. So it is adjustable. It comes in those 3 pieces. So far it's been working pretty well. Right here you have that quick release adjustability right on the fly. I mean, you can be paddling and be like, oh, I need a little longer, a little shorter. Whatever your needs are, it seems like it can accommodate it. One of the most amazing features about an inflatable paddleboard is how you can pack this thing up. So deflate it with a simple touch of the button. And then just roll it up. We have that all packed up just like that. So this provided carry bag is actually really amazing. It looks like a large backpack, and that's exactly what it is. So we have 2 large pockets on each side. I happen to have the paddle in that side, and the leash in that pocket there. Let's take a look inside. Inside the bag, I have that Maddle paddleboard all packed up nice. So we dried it off. We have a nice strap that they provided, so cinched it up nice and tight. There's our fins down there, all 3 of them. And on the back side of this, it even has a pocket right down here with a zipper. So you can even add in some more stuff there. That's really nice. The last amazing feature of this carry bag is right here behind the straps. So you might not want to put something big and bulky in here. However, I went ahead and threw my personal flotation device in that big pocket just to showcase how large it truly is. This bag, it seems like it's made pretty well. The straps are adjustable. It's a backpack. And to be honest, it's not too heavy. Overall, I'm really liking this paddleboard. We highly recommend it. If you're in the market for a new paddleboard, check out Maddle. They have some neat designs, affordable options, and you get this package that pretty much sets you up to get out on the water. Everything you need is included. Thank you all so much for watching. We super duper appreciate it. Thanks for all your likes, your comments, your subscriptions. If you're new in town, please consider subscribing. Until we see you again, keep your nose clean. Bye.